So you are living in a country like US or India in which TikTok has got banned, and now you want to reinstall it, but you're not finding a way even after watching a lot of tutorials on YouTube. I've also watched those tutorials, but none of those actually worked. But in this video, I'll tell you a very working and unique solution which will solve your issue 110%. So just hang on with me. So first of all, you have to open up your Google Chrome or Safari or any other browser that you use. And after that, you have to go to Google and search here Pair APK and hit the search button. And the very first website which says APK Pair, you have to tap on it and you have to open this website. And after that, you'll be redirected to its main homepage and you can scroll through it and watch all the other apps as well. After that, you have to tap on this little search button available at the top right corner of its homepage. And tap in the search bar and write here TikTok and hit the search button. And now TikTok app will appear up. You can simply download this APK from here by pressing this download button available under the app. But only downloading the app or APK does not work. You have to still keep watching. After downloading the APK or TikTok application, what you have to do is you have to open up your App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android. And after that, go to the search button and search here VPN and hit the search button. And you have to first of all install any VPN and activate that before using the TikTok application. Otherwise, your account may get suspended for using TikTok in a region where it is banned. So this was the first solution. You have to go to APK Pair, download TikTok, install any VPN, activate it, and start using TikTok application. But wait, what if this APK does not work? Or what if you are on iPhone? Because as you know that iPhone does not allow the installation of any third-party applications which are not present on App Store. So in that case, you have to open up your Play Store or App Store, whichever is available for you. And after that, you have to tap on your profile picture available at the top right corner of the screen. It doesn't matter whether you are on Android or iPhone, the process is some or similar to this one. And after that, you have to tap on your name available at the top of this page. And when this page appears up, you have to scroll through here, and here you get an option country or region. Tap on it, and from this list you have to select any country or region in which the TikTok is available. You can simply select any country of Europe or Australia or simply China or any of the country that you love. And after selecting that region, press the done button and again go to search bar and search here TikTok. And in that way, TikTok app will appear up after changing your region. And after that, you can install TikTok from here. Now do let me know in the comments that which solution worked for you, so it may be a big help for the others. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.